All right, let's move on to Ielts speaking part 2. Describe a plant, vegetable, or crop that you are familiar with. You can talk about one of these things. So, please, you can start.
Pakistan is a diverse country, and there are many kind of plants in Pakistan. All the plants are useful in some way. The vegetables in Pakistan, it's very famous and tasty, and we are using in all the seasons. And the today I want to talk about the crops. Here is the sugar cane. It's very famous in Pakistan because all the people like it very much, and it's very important in my country because many shops they sells the sugar
They
cane.
sell sugar cane.
They sells the
Sugar
sugar
cane. They
cane,
sell.
sell the sugarcane juice, and also those people they have joined us. They are drinking it twice a day to decrease their bilirubin, and moreover children also like too much because it tastes like sweet and candies. And in my country it's very important because in industry we are making the sugar by sugar cane.
Okay, now fluency is the first thing. Second is pronunciation. The word is not sugar can. The word is sugar cane.
Cane, okay.
Cane, right?
Okay.
And try to come up with your own ideas, original ideas, and stick to the main topic. The topic is what is the crop, how you became familiar with it, what you like or dislike about it. So try to stick to these points and cover them one by one, right?
Okay.
Now we have speaking part 3. Would you like to grow any crops?
I like it very much because I like the crops in the village. I want to live there because it's looking very fresh environment when we want to see the crops, and I want to live there with my family and with my child.
Okay, that's good. Overall, fine, but grammar and fluency. These are two areas you need to work on, right? Thank
Okay.
you.